Victor Das, son of the NF railway employee Kumud Chandra Das, who was found allegedly murdered near the Kamakhya junction in connection with the 158 crore NFR scam on August 27, 2020, was allegedly assaulted by cops in Kamrup Rural's Dodora area, allegedly for no fault of his. Victor alleges that the police personnel threatened to kill him the way his father was murdered.
Police personnel Kalita, he said he would kill me like the way my father was killed. His friend is Mahesh Boisha, he knows him very well, GRPS IO, and as such as no one could do anything to my father's case, it's still no one is doing anything. So even if I am killed by the police, no one could do anything. They got power and they will show it they will put it into a false case and all those stuffs they say.
আমি তো পুলিশের লগত কোনো এয়া কৰা নাই, কাজিয়া কৰা নাই, পুলিশের লগত আমার কোনো কাজিয়া নাই, তেতিয়ালে তেহেতসকলে কি কাৰণত কলে, কাৰো চুটনিত কলে তাৰমানে এই কথাটো যে তুই বাপেক যেনেকৈ মাৰিছো তোকো মাৰি পেলাম বুলি এই কথাটো কিয় বাৰে বাৰে কলে।
On January 13, Victor Das, a mere witness to a minor scuffle involving a local BJP leader and some residents of the locality near his house, was taken to the Dodora outpost by cops patrolling in the vicinity, allegedly on the pretext of questioning him about the incident.
We are outside the Dodora outpost. On 13th Uruka night, Victor Das alleged that he was brought here and beaten black and blue. He suffered third-degree torture in this outpost, which is in Hajo in Assam. And the cops had allegedly also threatened to rape his mother and his wife.
Police personnel Kalita, he said he would rape my mother and everyone, all the female members that are present in my house. He would rape them and he would just I could do anything helplessly. He would tie me up and he would rape in front of me. 4 other police personnel were laughing when they were beating me, and they were just telling these things like, call your mother, we will her.
Victor claims that each one of the cops who beat him that night and those on patrolling duty were in inebriated condition. This comes as a surprise since Assam police was carrying out a vigilance drive on Uruka night against drunk driving.
All the cops were under the influence of alcohol. All the cops, those who were there present that day, all of them were drunk.
Even those who had come patrolling, they were also under.
Even those who have come patrolling, even they were also drunk.
On January 18, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma retweeted Victor's post where he had shared images of the brutal assault, only after which the incident caught the eye of senior Assam police officials. When East Mojo questioned Dodora OC Topon Kolita about these allegations, he refuted all the claims of violence and assault against Victor Das. On questioning the OC of Hajo, Babul Medhi said the matter was being investigated by Additional Superintendent of Police Asif Ahmed, who also refused to give out any information about the case to East Mojo. Victor Das spent 3 nights at a private hospital getting treated for his injuries, and his mother Jurimoni Das still awaits justice for her husband Kumud Chandra Das. She fears for the safety of her family as the January 13 incident brought horrifying memories back to the family that still has all its hopes pinned on cops and authorities for justice.
এতিয়ালৈকে কোনো ন্যায় পোৱা নাই। মই নাম উল্লেখ কৰি কেছ দিয়া হৈছে। এতিয়াও কেছটো মানে সিআইডিৰ ওচৰত সিআইডি যোগেন বৰ্মন ছাৰৰ আণ্ডাৰত কেছটো চলি আছে। তেখেতক ফোন কৰিলে কয় লাষ্ট পৰ্যায় পোৱা বুলি, কিন্তু ন্যায় পোৱা নাই। এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কোনো ন্যায় পোৱা নাই। আজি ডেটলৈকে